We're all going to come back diseased.
Do you see the boy with corpses hanging from the tree?
Oh god!
It attacked me first. I was defending myself.
It was like a...
But this morning it was...
You know?
Yeah.
No? You never heard that?
Well, I have now.
You got this, guys.
Good luck.
They're totally not gonna die.
Shut up, kitty.
I said they're totally not gonna die.
Alright, fair. Fair enough.
We don't know. 4 chambers of poison. He ain't immune from poison. He's only immune from Reaver disease right now. That's why I didn't want him going in there.
Now.
Do I look like that much of an idiot?
What's occurring?
I mean,
Anybody else want to go and fight the woodwork?
How much room is there to fight?
2 more.
I don't know how big these chambers are. Osric said 6. We could send more, but you could be swinging swords against with no elbow room.
Like,
How many went
not
in?
exactly the strongest sword arm
4.
in the world. Is my,
5? I don't know. Okay.
I can see 6 in there. Was it 6 that went?
6 have gone in.
Right.
You're right. It might not be swords that are required.
Did 6 go in?
6 have gone in.
That's what we
2,
said, only
Osric
said
and
6.
someone else, plus the other gentleman and 3 others.
That was very specific, thank you.
I thought we said only said 6 though.
Osric recommended 6. It does not mean that is the maximum number.
Right, I think so.
If no one else is volunteering to go, then
We wait.
we wait.
We wait.
Wait, see what happens.
Just keep an eye on the
I
flank
don't want to risk
and...
going in there because if people come out there again, we're going to be doing
I
this all
mean,
day until someone's
how-
agreeing what the fuck is that?
I'm so sorry to do this.
Must repel!
Repel! Be gone from this tree! Get out of here! Go!
Thank you.
I'm pretty sure that is going to be the fighting space they use. That's why we're getting told to fuck off. What did I miss?
We're coming up with more ideas, but that's it.
Who's got my shield? Ah, you got my shield.
How you doing?
Alright, cheers, I'll take it. The strap's handy, isn't it?
It is.
Have they come back?
Yeah, they'd come back.
They're hanging
They're
from the tree.
And they're undead.
Waiting for the car.
They're gone. I'm sorry to say, Scam.
Fuck!
They've all gone. They've all gone.
What went wrong?
It wasn't enough, clearly. The tree overpowered them. We only sent 6.
That was the strongest and the best.
They were the strongest 6,
They
yeah.
were unarmed.
One of them's a
2 of them
werewolf.
were. I suppose.
Don't hit the corpses. Don't attack the corpses.
Right, do you want to try and bring him back?
No, that's what the woad was saying. Don't attack the corpses.
We must. Maybe if the tree's cured, it may have a way of curing them.
Maybe.
Crispy's gone for tea, and kids went to rally.
We can at least hope.
Go to them. What time to
Oi.
fire?
Everyone goes in there.
Everyone goes in.
Alright.
I've got enough mana.
You need your healing.
You know, if
Okay.
we had to speak with dead, we could ask one of them.
You
What
want to
happened?
step out there? Very much. Let's help to the banner of their own.
No!
Those Celts.
Not all Celts have abandoned their own.
Your king sits up there.
Well, I'm here.
That counts for something.
Hey, here.
How many of the 6 were Celtic?
5.
Are they all dead?
4 or 5.
Are they all dead?
Oh,
I
yeah.
believe I'm looking at the only 3 true Celts.
Defeat the tree, I don't know.
That's just us.
And if we don't go and do something,
No, the true
all I can
Celts are up
say
there.
is They are dead for sure.
The longer they stay dead, the better, the worse it is, I reckon.
Well, I definitely don't recommend it.
Right.
Should the poison resistance die?
We can resist the disease, yeah, we can.
Do you want to live?
People with purity
Go where?
can resist
Not
the
here.
first disease, so they
We all go.
You end up touching the tree and end up like them. We
Go.
can't stop that.
Because if we don't,
We die. Anyway.
the Reaving continues anyway.
It's not a poison, it's a magic.
So what are we supposed to do?
Radio's gonna kill me.
No,
I promised him I'd keep everyone alive.
So far
You
you've
can
got...
prevent future people from dying, maybe.
They died, so we knew.
Yes.
We did not know them. We know them.
We know then. Exactly
So we
what
can
know
join
now.
them?
That's the plan. We don't have. We're not doing anything differently than we did last time.
If we don't do something, the reaving continues and everybody dies anyway.
We have to have a different plan because that plan didn't work.
I think we need to.
That plan didn't work. We have to do something different.
I think we need to increase it. Just got all of us. All of us in. Yeah.
The mother call. What?
You going to go in?
What was that?
If everyone else
we
goes
need
in.
to ask the question. Why? Why did the mother call us? And then that's what we found.
The mother. You gonna go in the tree?
Didn't you hear a call?
I don't want to go in, but I will.
Thank you, Jack.
And then
they were friends.
they were dead.
Yes, I know that.
Be brothers.
Why would the mother call us? Did she want more sacrifices?
No. Why don't we?
Cray,
The Woodwoe was trying to tell us not to attack
you
the
haven't
corpses.
see Celts up there moving.
Called us.
No, and the message I've got back from Bodkin was they said, no,
How
we're all
about before we just go in? Because we need to. I think go back.
I think the.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I can get everyone in.
Can I just ask?
If you don't come, you don't come.
Can I ask one question?
Yeah.
Are you asking me politely to go on this journey?
Yes.
So then I'm coming with you.
You come in.
That's all you need to do with me.
Going in.
Going in, we need to witness.
You cowards.
Don't need to witness. If you're not going in, go.
You have to do something different than you did last time, otherwise you're just going to die. There's more of us. What's different?
We don't know what they did. We couldn't see what they did.
Can anyone speak to dead?
No. Oh, Owen's the only one who I know who can.
If you're going in there without any sort of defence from that, you're going to die.
We need a forward scout.
We need defence and poison.
They were the forward scout.
They've been covering themselves in defence and hiding in town.
People bring different bodies up.
I think we need to speak with Dead so we can speak with one of the corpses on the
Do
tree.
you want to go in, Sabre?
Not really, but.
If you don't want to go in,
Oh, the dread's hanging from the tree over there.
I don't want to go in.
How many other irreplaceable people are we sending?
But the one there isn't hanging from the tree.
Come behind. Right, let's get through the undead first.
Yeah, try
Am I talking to nothing?
Sorry.
That's all right.
Do we know that more people will work?
Most likely, when his numbers never not worked.
True.
That was double negative.
Mike can.
Should we get?
I think if we can try to talk to the one in white.
I think we need to clear the way.
Yeah, we definitely
We
need
don't-
to clear the undead.
Macarius, we don't have to hit the corpses.
I don't think they're going to give us a choice.
We can go around the back.
If we get past, should we get the mushroom lady to look in?
Try. We can do that.
The mushroom lady can talk to trees.
I don't think that's going to work.
We tried talking to the tree
With someone
With tree speak. There's a dryad.
with Sylvan, the language of the
Yeah. No, I mean like if we get in the tree alive, the mushroom lady, if we die, she'll
we've already
see
tried
how
that,
we
Timmy.
die.
I can't speak Sylvan.
Where did Mark and Rye get a sword?
Oh, I can.
Is that a problem?
I don't know. Sylvan didn't work, so
It would be. It would be an issue.
Where did Morgan Ra get a sword from?
So I can't get... It grew out of his hand. So I can't...
Oh shit.
We have to knock them down. We have to knock them down.
Macarius, why can't we go around the tree?
You are welcome to try. They are not all going to make it.
They're not going to move around. We can go the far side.
I mean, they're kind of hanging until you get close, and then they're not hanging.
I think got enough people.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, you do it.
All of you come.
More comes, the better the outcome.
Faith.
If we don't all
If
go,
we all-
then we're all good. Yeah, it's
I've
going to
said-
go.
We all go!
I've sent someone up to camp to go get
go in.
the bird doctor because he's immune to all this poison stuff.
Yeah, let's wait.
Wait for him.
Right.
Then he'll be a much better healer than I will.
Yeah.
The word.
Drag this out.
Think of it smart. Don't just keep rushing in, else we'll just keep seeing bodies on a tree.
Druid.
Do her.
Do her.
Just do it.
To be fair, the tree's only got so many branches, it can't hang all of us.
What a thought.
We all just suicide. Still swinging backwards and forwards.
Are these technically our comrades still?
Oi!
Not back.
In there now. The legs are lying on the floor. Every time you go for the legs, it goes straight through.
Not back.
There's no legs left on that one.
I've been pushed back by
No, but if you hit the legs after the legs are gone, it goes to the torso.
No stabbing. No stabbing. I've got to keep going backwards and forwards.
Are we touching that tree or what?
Well, apparently we're waiting for a bird doctor, but also there's not many of us here now, unless all of us come now.
Let's do it.
There's not, I don't think
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at this point, I'm willing to go in.
I'm going in.
We should wait because Eddie's plan does make sense.
Makes sense if he shows up.
Then we wait a few minutes.
Who went to get him?
Eddie, who went to get Tom?
Who went to get Tom?
Oi.
Three separate people. I said to them, right, go get Tom.
Did someone go to get Tom?
Oi. 3 people.
But we don't know if he's agreed to go.
I think it's best we think about this for more than 4 seconds.
Is it a contingent?
Oh, I think there might be people.
Is it a fighting contingent as well as a doctor?
It really helped someone rally the Celt, the rest of the Celts.
The Celts
The
were
rest of the Celts.
Does the doctor approach?
It is. Well, right, it has 68% remaining.
There's a
Oh, look.
large party.
The rest of the
Finally.
And here comes
Thanks for coming.
They have mustered.
They've mustered them and the lost cause. Finally.
Okay, now this becomes a cakewalk, right?
Yeah.
Right, I shall catch them up to scratch.
I'll stand here and stay down the undead. Have you been brought up to speed?
I'll give him a really, really bad rundown, but I brought back up. I explained to him the situation. I told him what your lad said to me.
Thank you very much.
I did all of that. I don't know how much of it he got because it was a lot of information in a very short space of time, and I just had to tell him all these fucking people were dead. So,
Back there, that appears to be the spirit.
Oi. Thank you.
what could I do? He should know.
Thank you.
The woes inside defend it. It seems Osric's plan talking. Why have we not cut them down? Why have we not cut them down? Well, we had
Because the woe
Try and kill us.
The woe have told us. The woe have told us
Oh well, they'll come and.
that we shouldn't be attacking the corpses.
When we originally got here, there were already corpses in the tree, not any of ours, obviously.
If we kill the tree, whatever is it might not be true death, and it might be caused by the tree itself, and they might be able to be restored if we don't kill them.
You need to take a seat. You need to start your work
You want it on him? You're definitely sure I can do this once?
on
Yeah?
him.
So the theory is that this is actually an affliction caused
Well, it can't go on armour though, can it?
gem them to death. We might be able to.
Can't go on armour though, can it?
Shit, no, I need to.
Off your armour.
You will.
No, it's not
Shit,
going to
that's not going to work.
unless you go in unarmed.
This is what I did.
It's the woes. The woes are the issue, which means if they don't actually cause damage to you, you won't be affected by their poison. So armour will help you survive longer against them.
But immunity to poison.
Well, that would also work against them very well.
But the immunity to poison can only be done while on armour.
Yes. So it depends whether you want to go in with armour or whether you want to go in with immunity.
To fight with the woes.
I can do great fortitude, but again, it depends. I can only do one or other. I've got no, I'm crippled, absolutely crippled with this.
So
Who fought that fight?
Which fight?
Who's been into the tree?
You're looking at them.
Osric said.
So none
We said-
who can communicate have been into the
No,
tree.
we said to Osric.
What? No, Osric.
He came back out. The green man brought him back. We said to him, "How many do you need in there?" He said 6. We sent 6 in. They chose to go in.
Gator. The bookkeeper, Barnabas, and Osric both speak Woad.
So we did have people who speak.
The Wood Woe do not want to
Oh
talk.
yeah, Osric went in initially, and when he was sent out, He turned around and said, I tried to communicate with them, they don't want to talk. So whether they went in again and tried to talk.
The short version of this is the Woes are protecting the tree because they like what it's doing, whereas the Fey trees don't like what the tree is doing because what the tree is doing is ultimately bad. And the reason the Woes like it is because it makes plant grow good.
Told to fight. We've been told we need to go in and basically kill the wolves to get to the heart of the tree.
Yeah.
So we need 6.
No, we need way more than 6.
Way more than 6, and that is probably what.
That was what they went in to do last time. 6 went in to fight way through and didn't come out.
I can take in.
So why did Osric say 6?
I don't know. I said, how many do you think?
So that the woes could portion us up nicely.
I've no idea.
That seems to be a bit his thinking. I don't know.
Yeah. Right.
Whatever we do, we need a plan so that it will work. Because we can't keep sending people in to die. It needs to be a different plan to what we've been doing because that didn't work.
I can take it.
It's a militant mission, as it turns out. We sent in diplomats the first time, so that's the first big change. We sent in warriors this time.
Yeah, but my point is, they're not coming out. They're dying.
Yes, but
They're dying. We need to know it will work.
I don't know why they went unarmed.
Just to answer your question.
I probably don't know holding the stick.
No. Right.
The owner of the stick has however advanced half. I was just talking, that's fine. I'll keep holding the stick a bit. It looks like we've assembled.
This is what I'm saying. This is what we need to be looking into. If it means that we've got to come back at a later time, get an limit on everyone that goes in.
No. The longer we wait, the less chance we have of getting them back. If we do not do it today, they might as well
Do
be
you
written
really
off.
think you're going to get them back?
We're hopeful.
I'm going to go in. Who's coming?
Don't get to write off that
I'm
decision.
not saying that. I'm not saying that. Don't think I am.
I'll go in.
Get off.
They managed to bring the entire camp. That's actually quite impressive. Whatever you said. Whatever they said.
She is not going in the tree. She is saying goodbye to the knights or something.
I'll say the same thing I said to your other guys in the offer stands. I'll be down into your camp later on.
They actually hanging from the tree?
Yeah. Poison.
So O'Reilly,
working out who's going to be affected.
We're trying to not use gemma.
We're not using
gathering some materials.
Is there any action on that?
Alright, appreciate it. So I believe we're going to daisy chain.
Right, so is everyone going in anyway?
30, I think Makar said he can move. No, there's the woe in there. That we need to kill.
We can help protect you from the poison. Should we go?
What? Can we just get on with it and stop being outside being mass feared all the time?
Tom?
I was just running away a moment. Run back.
Because you're immune, aren't you?
Yep.
Prepare to enter.
Would you like to be resistant? We can help. We can help with the resistance to the venom.
Resistance to venom. Resistance to venom potion.
The tree is singing
Just jam them in people's hands. Jam them in their hands.
Here, take a potion.
Resist venom. Drink it.
Resist.
Drink it. Give me that one. Drink this.
Oi!
They're getting handed mass resist venom.
Lord Reaving.
To work, it needs to jump hair. Now, one
Something about Lord. Oh, come here. She sings. It sings and compels you. All who hear me, massive
Kevin!
massive track.
You ready?
Right. Time freeze.
Time
What's going on, Barry? What's going on?
What is going on?
I wish I knew.
Let's figure this way.
Grab hold of this.
Wait, didn't we give you no...
No. Can I grab hold of you?
Time in!
Maxi!